Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fade an image in Pixlr. So first, go to pixlr.com, then scroll down and select Pixlr Editor. Now click on Open Image to open a picture from your computer, or click on Create New to create a new image. Now select one of these options. Let's select this one for example. And you can also rename your image and change the width and the height. And you can also add a background color. Then click on Create. Now go to this plus icon here and click on Image to add your image. Let's select this one, then click on Open. Now zoom out and resize your picture. And now go to the scissors icon, which is the cutout tool, and select the image layer. Then select gradient mask from the tools and remove from mask. Now follow the steps I'm doing here. And that's it. Now you can select this layer and then go to Fill and click here and select the color you want. Let's select this color, for example. Then click on OK and click anywhere on the canvas to apply the fill. And that's it. Now you can right click on this layer and select merge down or merge visible. Let's select merge down. And now you know how to fade an image in Pixlr. So after finishing, just click on this icon here or go to File and click on Save to save your image. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.